Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today's our video topic is best repair AC phonics. In this video, we are discuss about repairing for AC, and I am talking about you. What are the best AC repair phonics? So new viewers, like, subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and watching to the complete video. Thanks for this. Now we are going to our video topic without wasting our time. So first of all, we will search about best AC repair phonics on the Google. And Google shows many websites. We are open in one, for example, AC repair phonics air conditioner repair service. Most trusted phonics AC repair company in the blistering heat of phonics, it is absolutely critical for us to have dependable air conditioning that delivers cool air and maintains comfortable indoor environment. Precision air and plumbing is fully committed to delivering exceptional air conditioning repair service, ensuring that you are certified the highest certification in the air conditioning repair and service industry, and always put people before profit. When you need the job done right the first time, corporation air. Schedule an appointment with Precious. Fill out the form to schedule your appointment online or call 480-680-9891 for immediate assistance. We offer some day service and are available 24/7 for your emergency AC repair needs. Has another company told you that your AC compressor is bad and needs replacing? Call us and we will gladly give you a second opinion at no charge. Precious Air and Plumbing is the first ranked phonics AC repair company, and we stand behind our work and service with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. When you choose Precious Air Plumbing, you can count on no weekend fees, no additional trip chairs, no additional diagnostic fees, service fee waived with repair net net certified technicians. Our technology is 36 points AC repair inspection include. What are Air Zone's most dependable full service HVAC company? Phoenix is an incredible place with so much to offer. However, during the summer, the temperature can be unforgiving. Summertime in Phoenix can be cause very unaffordable. If your AC unit is not working as it should, family owned and operated Precious Air and Plumbing has been providing commercial and residential customers with dependable AC repairs for any years now. What is the time to replace your AC unit? Repairing an old AC unit is installing a new one is a crucial decision. But if your AC system experiences experiences frequent issues or is over 15 years old, it may be time to upgrade. Not sure what size AC unit you need. There are many things to consider when determining the size of the air conditioning system. Our AC service expert has have years of experience in the phonics value and will be able to help you determine the most efficient and best sized air conditioner unit for the for your indoor space. So viewers, our video is completed. We are joined to the next video. Inshallah. Thank you so much all of us to watch the complete video. Allah Hafiz.